We will discuss how to calculate percentage in Excel for entire column, and we will create this data. Also, we will create pie chart and the bar chart. I want to tell you one thing. I'm using an Android cell phone to create this video, and you can use this application. This is the Microsoft official application of for Excel. You can create sheet, you can create chart, and you can create graph, and you can send report as well. This is similar as the desktop version. If you learn with this video, so you can apply this exercise on the desktop version. And we also create multiple videos on desktop version for percentage calculation and some many more other topics. I'm giving the training right now for the percentage calculation. Here are the 15 topics, and we will discuss more percentage calculation topic as well. So here I am going to right now calculate how to calculate percentage in Excel for entire column. So for that I have to clear these data, so I can show you how I'm going to create this data and how we will apply percentage calculation for entire column. So I'm going to apply a formula to get the random numbers. So for that I am going to apply random between 5 to 15, and here you can see we get the result for the order, and the sale price we also required in this data. So we will arrange via random numbers between 25 to 50. So here you can see we get the result over here. Now I'm going to get apply the formula to get the order and amount sales to for the calculation of total amount for each order. So for that I have to multiply order and the sale price. Here's some error. Let me apply this formula again. Is equal to B6 into C6. So here you can see we get the result. Now I have to get the percentage, sum of the order and sales and the total amount. So for that I have to apply some formula. I'm mentioning you again that this is similar as desktop version. This formula and the functions also are similar as the desktop version Microsoft Excel, but for your practice and learning, because in future everyone will use cell phone for the reporting and the calculation of their data. They will use cell phone, so you should have the experience of cell phone as well. That will very easy for you and useful for you. I have to apply a formula in C13. So I have to sum, and we can also drag and drop these cell to have the result. Sorry, something wrong over here. Let me show you how we can do drag and drop. Drag the formula for selection of the cells. Here you can see. So now we got the total amount for each order, total cost, and the complete cost of all the orders. So now I'm going to apply a formula that will give us the percentage of entire column. For that I have to write the is equal to here. After that we will create few charts like pie chart, bar chart, so that will very useful for you. So you have to be here, and don't forget to subscribe. The amount divided by D13. The amount column is D, and the cell is 13, but I have to fix the cell address. So for that I have to apply $sign to get the correct result. So here you can see we get the result over here. So here you can see we have the result over here. Now I'm going to show you how we can calculate percentage and we can create the pie chart and the bar chart over here. The most important thing I want to tell you, this application is available for free on Google Play Store and iOS as well, so you can download it from there, and that's very useful, and that's the official application from Microsoft Excel. So I will show you how you can download and which application you have to download, so to get the proper result and proper function for each exercise or report you want to create. So now right now I'm going to create few charts we can find from here, like chart or any tool you want to search any function, so you can find it from here. So I can find I can create bar chart over here. So here you can see we have data and we have created a chart according to our data. Now we have one more important thing that you don't know or you already know. The pie chart has a function which which can give you percentage calculation without calculating the percentage. That's amazing thing. Do you understand? You can get the percentage result in pie chart without calculating the percentage of your data. Means that we have this data in numeric format, not the selected data is in the numeric format, not in percentage format. So I will convert this data into pie chart and get the output of percentage. Let me show you how it will work. Let me select the correct data without total from apple to cabbage. So for that I have to select the pie chart, and here you can see once we select the pie chart, it just show the names and the let me make it zoom so it will be clear for you. Zoom in. So here you can see we just have the numbers. So I can show you how it will appear in the percentage. Here you can see it's showing in the percentage with the name of the item, or we can select any other way layout to get the appear the result on the our pie chart. So there are multiple ways to show our result on the Excel sheet. So let me show you the official application of Microsoft Excel, which I will recommend you to use for your official work or your personal work, or whatever you do, or you want to do calculation, or you want to create the sheet. So here you just need to go to the Play Store, and then you need to search MS Excel sheet. Now here you can see there are multiple Excel sheets available and applications. You can use anyone, but I will recommend you this one. This is the Microsoft here you can see this is the Microsoft Excel Corporation product. This is the official product. Here you can see the Microsoft Corporation. So let me show you. You need to install this application, and you can create charts, you can do calculation, this is with Microsoft 365 application, so you can use Microsoft 365. And here another option, this is the very you can have the cloud option as well, so you can save your file in cloud and use it anywhere you want and the next time, and you can share these file with the management or your bosses, or where you want to share, or you want to submit any report anywhere. So this is the example. I will recommend you to watch other videos as well. We have the percentage calculation of the desktop version as well, so you can learn from those example as well. Those are very easy to understand if you want to learn Excel for the desktop version, but I really recommend you to watch and try Excel on the cell phone version. So it will very useful for you, and you can work anywhere. If you are traveling, you're going somewhere, if you want to submit the report, you just open your cell phone, use this application and work anywhere you are, and you can submit your report from anywhere to your boss or your concerned department or your customer. So I hope you understand. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really want you to comment right now on my video and give me your feedback. So and if you want to learn anything about Excel, rather than this topic, you want to learn about percentage or anything you want to learn, so ask me in comment box, or so I will respond you. Hope you are understand this video. Please leave your comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.